Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to update Google Play Store on Android phone. So guys, if you want to update it, here I will show you how can you easily do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open your Play Store and now tap on your profile. And from here you have to simply go to settings and now go to about, and here you will see the update option. So guys, here you can see this. You can easily update your Play Store from here if there is any update available. So guys, simply tap on update Play Store and here you will get the updated version if there is any update available, and if your Play Store is up to date you have to simply tap in got it. So guys, you can see this. If you see update Play Store button, you have to simply tap on this, and if there is any update available it will be updated, and if your Play Store is already up to date it will give you the message like this. So guys, in this way you can also update your Play Store on Android phone. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.